closet. Greetings, hi, hello, welcome. Welcome to my closet. Well, it's me and my husband's closet. So if you guys watched my first video, or I was opening up about being vulnerable with my new found, it's not really found, it's been here for, I don't know why I said found, my new mama body. And it's not like extremely different, but it is different. So we just want to embrace that because we love this God-given body. This body brought us a baby, and it's just different, you know, like it's just different. So in that video, I brought up the fact that I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. And if you have not seen that video, I would highly recommend going to watch that one before you watch this one. So just go ahead and pause right here and go ahead and click that video right there and head over there and watch that so you know exactly what I'm talking about. My goal today during nap time, yes, it's nap time, so let's cross our fingers that she takes a wonderful nap so that mama can get all the things done. And if you think that I sound a little nasally, it's because I am, but we're just gonna roll with it. If I look at a piece of clothing and I automatically think, okay, once I'm back to normal, I can wear this again, I'm going to probably get rid of that piece of clothing because I shouldn't be comparing myself to another part of me, or, you know, like another phase or stage of me, because there's nothing wrong with the stage that I'm in. There's nothing wrong with the old, nothing wrong with the new. I want to be grateful and appreciative of the body that I have, these a little bit wider hips that we got going on. I want to totally embrace that. So anything that makes me feel some type of way or makes me uncomfortable, I plan on donating or selling on my Poshmark. So I will have the Poshmark listed down below, but majority of things will be donated because I think that's the best route to go. But a few pieces I will sell on Poshmark because I know you guys are going to ask. I'm not KonMari-ing nothing because I think that's just over the top and anybody got time for that. I mean, some people's got time for that, but I ain't got time for that. So let's just go ahead and jump on into it.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
We have an entire hamper full of tops, cardigans, blouses. Y'all, it's like overflowing. That feels liberating. There's so many empty hangers now. These are all the hangers that I just cleared off, and I was able to move my clothes down quite a bit. Whew. This feels good. It feels liberating. Yeah. I think the harder thing is going to be my jeans because I really don't fit comfortably in any of my jeans now. So this is going to be more difficult. I'm not going to get rid of all of them just because I'm like, oh, I can't fit in them right now. And yeah, so I'm not going to get rid of all of them, but I do want to get rid of quite a bit. So let's see. I did just clean out my jeans like right before I got pregnant. And obviously I haven't worn them pretty much since then. So yeah, let's see.
Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got
Dresses have been cleaned out. Whew. I know I've done quite a bit of closet cleanouts in the past, but I think this is the most liberating one that I've ever done. I'm getting rid of things that I've been holding on to for a long time, so this is like an emotional breakthrough, but it's also just a really nice like clean slate that we're starting with here. I like it. I like it a lot.
It's never under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning lost is a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy.
Now my goal is to separate everything in the donate and sale piles, and probably a toss pile too. Let's be realistic here. There's probably some stuff I can just toss out that nobody wants. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into
I'm
this.
sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifetime celebration. Go ahead. Can't deny I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise.
I did get everything separated into different categories, and I've been posting stuff on Poshmark. Like I said, I'll have that linked in the description box in case there's anything left by the time this video goes up and you want to grab anything. I'll have that down there. But I am really looking forward to a new start, fresh start, and I'm excited about taking you guys along with me on this finding myself kind of journey. So if there's any questions that you have or any requests that you want to see here on this channel, please leave those down below in the comments. Anything like fashion related, mommy related, whatever you want to see in this Mommy Monday series, just go ahead and let me know down there, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.